For the body, I'm going to cut one of these 9-inch cakes in half. Put this aside. And I'm going to cut out the tail. So I'm just going to cut in an angle just like this. Put this aside, so that's going to be the tail of the dinosaur. Now I'm going to cut out the head. So I'm just going to run it out just like this, like a half circle. There we go. And then cut this side so it's not pointy. This is the side that you'll be attaching to the body of the cake. I'm going to go ahead and cut this more so it's more of a roundish shape, round it out a bit. Now we're going to cut out the legs. So I'm going to cut the other half of the cake in half and then again into fourths. From each piece of the triangle, you're going to cut from the top and just down. You're pretty much cutting out this triangle here, but you're going to be using this piece for the leg. It's going to sit up like that. After you cut out that piece for the leg, cut off the top part about 1 inch off. So that piece should look like this. Time to put together our dinosaur. So we are making a Stegosaurus. So here is the body. So I'm just going to just position it and then we'll put the frosting on. There's the head. For the plates and the spikes, I'm just using some stretchy candy that I warmed up in the microwave for about 10 seconds to soften it up, or you can use fondant. I'm just gonna roll it up with a rolling pin. And what you need to do is just cut out a pentagon shaped plate, just like so. And I'll show you how to do that. So you can start with a square, and all you have to do is just cut off the bottom. So you should have a pentagon shaped plate just like that. And if you want, you can make the bottom more narrow, just like that. So it should look like that. And you'll be making a few that'll range from the biggest to the smallest. Make sure to save the leftover candy for the spikes on the tail. So we decided to make a baby one, and my daughter actually decorated this little one here.